I'm so excited. It's the first day at school. Let's get ready to go.
I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready to go. Getting ready. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready to wake up. Make the bed. Brush teeth. Got the song in my head. Hands up. Getting ready to go. Got a smile on my face. And get ready to roll. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready.
Come on, Mom. First day of school. Come on, let's go.
But Myla,
Come on, it's 6:30 in the morning. We're gonna be
but
late.
Myla, wait.
What?
Myla, it's Saturday.
Okay. Mom, come on, let's go to school.
But Myla,
Come on, it's 6:30 in the morning. Let's go.
but Myla, wait.
What?
It's Sunday.
Okay.
But you can get ready for church. Myla, wake up. Myla, wake up.
I'm a minute.
Myla, it's the first day of school. Wake
What?
up.
The first day of school? Come on, let's go. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready.
Myla.
Yeah.
Since today's your first day of school, what are you most excited about?
Well, to see my friends, go on the playground, and to answer all the questions at school, most of all.
Wow, that's great to hear. Well, guess what?
What?
We're almost here.
Oh, I'm so excited to go.
Well, Daddy love you, okay? Have a good day at school.
Okay, bye. I love
Bye.
you too.
Thank you.
I know you're having a bad day, but things will get better. I know
Oh, hey, baby. How was your day at school?
Not good.
What? What? Let me just. What happened? Tell me.
I had a bad day at school. That's what happened.
You had a bad day. Oh, baby, it's okay. I think I know what would make you feel really good
What?
and make you feel better. King Kenny, go!
Whoa, did somebody call me?
Oh, hey, King Kenny. See you, Myla. I told you King Kenny would come, and he could make it all better for us. King Kenny, Myla had a really bad first day of school.
What happened, Myla?
Well, when I went to the playground today, I saw my friends. When I wanted to play with them, played without me. It's not fair. The second thing is, when I brought my stuff in the class, everyone think it was ugly and made fun of me. And then the teacher asked me a question, and I raised my hand so fast, but I didn't know the question, and everyone made fun of me.
Well, sometimes we all have a bad day, and that's okay. King Kenny, anything you can do to help?
Miss Debbie, I think I know what I can do to help her.
You do? Myla, how about I leave you and King Kenny to have a really great pep talk, okay?
Okay. I tried everything, but no one wants to be my friend.
I know it's hard, but guess what? I will help you to make friends.
You will?
Yes.
But it's so hard to make friends. I've tried everything.
Well, first off, when you walk up to friends, what do you say?
Well, I just walk up and say, hey, you want to play?
But what you need to do is when you walk up to them, ask them what their names are. Introduce yourself and ask what they're playing.
But what if I don't want to play what they're playing?
But you have to be open-minded to try new things.
Okay, I'll try it. No, I don't.
Ask them what's their name and tell them your name.
Okay, I'll do that. Oh, hey, what's your name? My name's Myla. Hi, my name is Gabe, and this is Ella. What are you guys playing? We were just getting ready to play Kings and Queens. Oh, I don't like to play Kings and Queens.
For Myla, sometimes you just have to work with others.
Can I play with you guys? Alright, let's go.
Now we're going to work on your confidence. When you talk to people, you should be confident.
What's that mean?
It means that you are bold and happy with who you are, and it shows.
But I'm embarrassed. What if I make a mistake?
That's okay, but we all make mistakes.
For show and tell today, I got a very special thing I'd like to show you. It's my best friend. No.
For the next thing, I really need you to listen. I know you're really excited to answer all the questions, but you really have to work on listening.
Oh, but that's so hard. I love talking.
But God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth, so you could listen twice as much as you talk.
That makes sense.
King Kenny, Myla, so glad I found you. Listen, I know you had a really bad day today. Don't worry, it will get better.
How do you know?
Well, the first day of school can be really hard, but you just gotta try it again, be open-minded, and I'm sure King Kenny gave you some great tips. You know, Myla, tomorrow will be better. You know, I have to admit, I feel like you did a really great job listening. Normally, you interrupt me 1,000 times when I say something, but this time I feel like you really listened.
Thank you.
You're getting better at this, kid. You'll do great.
Okay. Did you see that? I had a great day today. Thank you so much for coming with me, King Kenny.
You did it, I just helped.
Can you come with me again tomorrow?
No, I still have work to do at the jungle, but whenever you need me, you know what you say.
King Kenny, King Kenny, King Kenny, go!